this video, I'll show you how to use the Granite School District's paid version of Padlet. You'll learn how to create a Padlet for your students, share it with them, and how they can add their posts. To access our district's Padlet, go to graniteschools.padlet.org. Don't go to padlet.com, as that's a different version. The paid version Granite offers lets teachers make unlimited Padlets and share them with other teachers in the district. Students can't access the paid version, but they can post on Padlets teachers create. Make sure to log in with your graniteschools.org Google account. You'll know you're in our paid version when you see the Granite School District button on the left. To create a Padlet, click on the pink Make a Padlet button. You'll see many pre-made Padlets you can use, but I'd like to show you how to make one from scratch. Let's make a Padlet for a class-building activity called Rose and Thorn, where students can share about their day or week. A rose is something good that happened, and a thorn is something not so good. To start the Padlet, click on Blank Board and enter a title. There are several different formats to choose from, each with its own purpose, layout, and features. I'll pick Wall for this example, and then click on Done. You can customize your Padlet further by clicking on the Settings icon in the right toolbar. You can change the title, add a description, and choose an icon. Under Appearance, you can also change the wallpaper, color scheme, and font. When changing the wallpaper, you can choose from a whole rainbow of solid colors, a variety of textures and patterns, or even pictures that are already uploaded to Padlet. You can also upload your own wallpaper. Under Layout, you can change the format where new posts appear. Under Engagement, you can allow or disallow comments and reactions. Normally with students, I leave the comment feature off, but allow them to like each other's posts. You can also choose whether to display the author's name. Since students don't have their own Padlet accounts, you'll want to leave attribution off, and have your students put their names as the titles of their Padlet posts instead. The Post Fields feature comes in handy for this, as you can customize the subject placeholder to say your name. You can also moderate posts. The default setting has an AI filter that works to detect inappropriate content and automatically filters those to require approval. If you choose to require approval, you will have to go in and approve each post before it appears on the wall. That's a lot of work for a teacher to do, but depending on your students, that might be a good choice. Any changes you make to settings are auto-saved. You can close the settings window by clicking on the X or just outside of the window. To share your Padlet, click on the Share arrow. Choose your privacy settings. I recommend keeping it secret so only people with the link can access it. To allow others to post to your Padlet, make sure to have Writer selected. You can also add other teachers as collaborators so they can moderate posts. You can then copy the link and share it. Embed the Padlet on a web page, which is what I like to do on Canvas pages, or share it via other apps like Google Classroom. Students can add posts by clicking the plus sign or double-clicking anywhere on the screen. They can title their post with their name and add text and other content like files, website links, photos using a webcam, and search Google for images, audio, and more. Clicking on the three dots anywhere in the background of this area provides several more post options, including recording video or audio. This is a great way for students who don't have great typing or writing skills to share to the Padlet. You can record your screen or even doodle on an on-screen canvas. Another great way for students to share their understanding. A new addition is I Can't Draw that uses AI to generate an image from a provided description. Once they're done, students can click on Publish to share their post to the Padlet. You can view posts in a slideshow or full screen mode by clicking on the slideshow icon or double-clicking a post. Padlet is a versatile and easy-to-use tool that you can use in many different ways for instruction.